I think one of the reasons why so many smart, savvy, successful women feel super stressed in their careers or businesses is partly because we treat our sensitivities as something that is a weakness or a threat even to our success. I'm Dr. Elizabeth Sherabadi, and as a sensitive woman in business myself, I've found that there are certain patterns that we as women tend to fall into in regards to our individual sensitivities. And I want to take you through what some of those are in a workshop that I've designed for you. We're going to be assessing what our individual sensitivities profile is. I've called it the sensitivity strength signature. And I'm going to help you find out what yours is so that you can start to harness and leverage your sensitivity in your business toward greater success. And I invite you to come on to the call, and we're going to have a really intimate conversation and an open one with other female leaders just like you, and would love to have some dialogue and connection around honoring our sensitivities and starting to understand how to leverage them as strengths or even superpowers in the way that we work and the way that we move ourselves toward the success that we desire. So I'd love for you to come on board. You can just use the link that you see around this video to sign up. It's completely free, and we'll see you there.